guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting topic in Pinterest ads, and that is trends. Basically, Pinterest ads account give us an option to see how trends are going for particular keywords, for particular interests, so that you can have knowledge about which particular demographic is interested in that keyword. So in this way you can better optimize your campaign, you can change the targeting, and this will help you to get good results from the campaigns and also help you to optimize the campaigns in a better way. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. I will let you know how to check the trends and how you can use them in your campaigns. Thank you. So first of all, you just need to go to your Pinterest ads account section where you can overview everything, the charts and everything is here now. After that, you just need to click on the ad reporting option. After that, you can see a different kind of option here like business hub, home feed, create a pin ad, create pin, create campaign, ad account overview, ad reporting, and in these options you have the Pinterest trend option. Like in the analyze performance section, you can see the Pinterest trend option. You just need to click on that. Once you click on it, it will redirect you to the particular dashboard where you can check every trend, what is famous right now, what things are going, and which keywords and which particular interest is trending on Pinterest right now. So let me check my keyword as I'm targeting kitchen remodeling. Like I want leads for kitchen remodeling or people who are who have interest in kitchen ideas, that kind of thing. So I will type kitchen ideas. So basically kitchen ideas, people who are looking for, like people who are typing kitchen ideas in Pinterest ads and so our ads. So we need to see how their trend, like how trend is going for this particular keyword. So what I'll do is I will click on it, and once I click on it, you can see it will showcase you past 1 year data, how interest is going for this particular keyword. Also they will also provide you some related trend keywords as well, which you can use in your campaigns as well. So right now, as you can see, it will give us the proper information, like which particular, let's start with age group, as 21% people who are age above 18 to 24 are searching for these keywords, and 25 to 34 is the highest percentage of the people who are searching for this particular keyword like kitchen idea. And in the same way, 35 to 45 is 21%, and you can categorize the campaign with the help of this data. As you can see, female are more interested in this keyword if I compare the same with male one. So it means we only want to target female if we target this keyword. So female will give us more results if I compare the same with male one. So we will we will not use the male in the campaign, we will only use female, because 82% of females are use this keyword. It means they are interested in this kind of this kind of products. So our kitchen remodeling or our kitchen services will definitely women will definitely convert easily with this keyword if we'll target the same in our campaign. So as you can see, it will give us a proper information like which demographics, which gender is which gender is particularly searching for this keyword. In the same way, you can also modern kitchen, you will see the trend for the related keywords as well, and this will give you the options, like this will give you the idea of the related keywords as well. You can target those keywords as well in your campaigns, because they will automatically show you some data about that. So let's type another keyword, car repairing or car driver. Let's put car driver costume. Let's take an example of that. And as you can see, there is no data for this keyword. It means people are not looking for this particular keyword. So this will also work as a keyword planner as well. If you heard about Google Ads, you are able to know that in Google Ads we have the proper information about the keywords how people are interacting with that, what is the top of page speed, and in the same way we will have the information of the keyword with the help of this tool. So you can do the keyword research as well. Before using any keyword in your campaign, you can put that keyword here, see if they are trending or not, people are searching for these keywords or not, then you can accordingly use that particular keyword in your campaigns. So in the same way, let's type another one, kitchen cabinets. So let's see how trend going for this keyword. And now you can see for the kitchen cabinet, you can also see the data of past 3 months as well if you don't want the last 1 year data. So in the same way, you can see all the demographics here, and with the help of that you can create campaigns. You can target them in the ad set level where we can target that keywords. So this will help you to better optimize your campaign and give a better idea which keyword you are using. So in this way you can definitely make your campaign more worthy, and with the help of that you can optimize your campaign better. So if you have any question regarding that, how you can use Pinterest trends, you can definitely comment on the YouTube video, and if you have any other queries you can definitely contact me on the number flashing on the screen. Thank you so much.